Good morning, guys. Hi, welcome back. All right, today is a what day? I'm so lost with my days. They've all completely gone out of me. Today's Friday, and today I'm going to be doing a good clean because I feel like the place needs a good clean because there's been so many people coming through here recently that I just want to wipe everything clean. So I'm going to sort out the kitchen. I'm going to mop, sweep, everything. So I thought, well, hey, I'm sure you guys have nothing better to do than to watch me do some cleaning. So I know it's true, right? Okay, so let's just get to it. Okay, so I bought this new step ladder thing, this hop up, right? This is the first time that I'm ever about to use it. So I'm about to climb it because obviously I can't reach the top cupboards and I want to give them a clean, so I'm going to use the hop up to clean all up here, the outsides of the cabinets and stuff. But yeah, it's exactly what I needed. So let's hope I don't fall. So right now, all I'm using to clean is this. This is just Zoflora mixed with water. So there's no oily substance in it or anything like that. It's just water basically. So I use that to wipe down the kitchen every morning. And I have to say, I know this makes me sound a bit weird, right? But I actually really enjoy cleaning this kitchen. And sometimes when the children are like, Mum, can I help you clean the kitchen? I'm like, no, I'm doing it because no one's going to do it like the way how I want it to be done. And I enjoy it. And I feel also that as I'm cleaning the kitchen, I'm getting some exercise in. So I'm pretty happy about doing that. It keeps me moving in the morning, even though it does take me a couple of hours to clean the kitchen in the mornings. I actually enjoy it, and that's one good thing about when you work for yourself, because I'm not restricted by, oh my gosh, I've got to hurry up and get to work, because I can actually take my time in the mornings and clean everything down, sweep and everything, and then I'm ready for my day. So I'm kind of enjoying it. Does that make me sad? So I've been doing it since we moved in and I haven't got tired of it. First I thought, oh, I'll probably get bored of doing it, but actually no, I still really enjoy cleaning the kitchen, especially the worktop. I love to give it a good polish down so that it looks like pristine all over again. But yeah, maybe I'm weird like that, I don't know. Anyway, that is kind of annoying about this kitchen, which I didn't think it would be a problem, but it is an issue. Like these handles, which are just the grip ones here. This grip handle, right? The amount of dirt that gets trapped here is unreal. So I have to, every single time, I have to come here with a cloth, excuse me, and I have to try and just get all the dust and the dirt out from it, because it just irritates me. So if you're going to get cupboards like this, just make sure you know what you're in for. Look here, look, just look at this. Look, can you see how all the dirt is just in there? Crumbs and stuff like that. So that I don't like, it really irritates me. So I'm just going to do my best to try and just clean that up, because I have to do that every day because I can't stand to see the crumbs in there. I just think it looks so awful. So, little tip there for ya.
Hey babe, look what hole I am in.
Okay, so this rug, right, I have a love-hate relationship. I love the fact that it's so chunky and fluffy, but my listless, right, Legos in it all the time. Every single time there's Legos, and when you step on this, right, it's so painful. So I have to I'm just gonna have a quick look through and just see if I can find it anymore, because there's tons of Legos in here.
You found my gem! Where'd it go? Thank you.
You found your makeup stuff.
That's what you're talking. No, there's something else that's white, but that's the only thing I can find in the baby box.
That's not it.
You know what I'm
Do you know what I'm talking about, guys?
Yeah, they look like that, but they're really
They're
flat.
white, and it's actually cotton,
Yeah.
like cotton wool. No, Jaden, thank
Couldn't
you.
find it.
It is, Josh, you know where it is, isn't it? Did you look in the box?
Wait, which box? Oh, it's in the baby box, yeah.
The medicine box. Yeah, it must be there.
Oh, you want to go down third
Yeah.
time? Alright, well, you don't need these, so can I use it for
I
my
do.
painting? Can I use it for my paintings? Yes!
Okay.
If you buy any more James, I fell off my phone, I need it. Please. Thank you. I'll come help you later.
Two so far. Oh. You have to like really look to find them. So I actually like to spray the place with this Zaflora thing. It is a disinfectant, but it's also a really nice fragrance. So I just spray it like Febreze. So I just like to keep the place fresh, especially because I am cooking in this space, and so I want the place to remain light. So I just spray some of this. And whatever you guys may think, this is not a Zaflora advert today. Okay, this is not a sponsored post. I just happen to really, really like Zaflora. So I like the different smells, you know, I like fragrances. So I tend to do that. I actually do this every morning. I spray the whole place, like the sofas, the rug and everything with this, just to keep the place nice and fresh, because I really like the house to smell nice. So that's what I do. So this is my usual routine, guys. This is my broken toilet brush. So the handle has broken off here completely. So I don't want to go and buy another cheap one. The other day when I went to Walker, I tried to look for one and I couldn't find one. I'm really low down on the camera, look. Let me find a better position. Here we go. Okay, so the other day I tried to get one from Walker, but they didn't have any in stock. So I'm not going to spend another however much on a plastic toilet brush that's going to break. So I'm going to manage with this one until I can find a decent one. I'll probably try Palace next. I need one for each of the bathrooms, but for the moment I'm going to have to use this broken one, which is annoying, but it's got to be done now. Give this one more scrub because down the bottom is still a bit lime scaly. So because of that, I just want to give it another go. I'm scared how deep I can go because the handle is so short. Oh my god. This is my youngest bedroom. So I'm cleaning the toilet for them. The oldest two, they have to do their own. But for my youngest, I don't know what kind of thing will be going on here, so I do this for them. So what I'm going to do is, because this toilet cleaner has got quite a nice smell about it, I'm actually just going to leave it in there like that. I'm just going to leave the cleaner in there, because it just leaves a nice smell in the bathroom, so I'm just going to leave it like that. So over here you can see where the guys have been working, where the inverter is, right here, right there. They've obviously come here and have been touching the walls, as you can see. So it means that I'm going to have to do some cleaning here, because this for me is just like, it's horrible. I don't like it. So I'm just going to give the wall a wipe down. This is washable paint, so I'm literally, again, my handy spray, I use it for everything, and I'm just gonna hope that it will all go away. And there it is. It's going already, look. So like, excuse me, all these dirty marks that are on the walls. You maybe can't even see it on camera, but they are definitely here. Like, I'm just gonna get rid of the whole thing. Oh my gosh, washable paint is the best, man. Especially for children's finger marks as well. I really don't know why people feel the need to touch walls so much. I guess we do it without realizing. But here in Ghana, right, these marks, if you don't wipe them down every now and again, what will happen, what you'll notice is that before you realize it, yeah, especially around the sockets and switches, this just gets completely black and you don't realize it building up until one day after everything is done, like, you just have a look one day out of the blue and you're like, what is that black mark? And by then, trying to scrub it down and clean it down is not easy. So I think if you're here in Ghana and you don't really particularly like cleaning, it's a good idea to get into a habit of just wiping down the walls every now and again, especially around the sockets, because if you have children, that is like one of the most dirtiest places, seriously. Like here, look at this. Look, see that? You probably can't even see it that much on camera, but this is absolutely filthy dirty. This is someone's dirty whatever it is. Hands or whatever they've put on it. So I'll just give it a wipe down like that. See? And it's gone. It's gone! See what I'm saying? And it's a lovely way to spend Christmas and the Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, just cleaning. I'm being sarcastic, by the way. So this camera's not straight and it's irritating me. Yeah, this is the best thing you could ever do on New Year's, you know, New Year, fresh start and all that. So yeah, while other people are out getting ready to go partying, I'm partying at home by cleaning the walls. And it's so exciting. Pure sarcasm, man, pure sarcasm. I need to really just get a life.
Go girl, you see you partying? Go girl.
Yeah, other people are doing New Year's parties. This is what I'm doing.
Woo! Look at that.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, you look so cool, man.
That's what I'm saying.
Huh? She's having a New Year party.
Yeah. So I'm basically just gonna go. I'm just gonna go all the way down and clean everything. Is definitely still a work in progress. We still have things that we need to do, so we're still doing some small snagging stuff. So as you can see, we haven't even put the toilet seats on yet. I do know why we haven't done that, because we need to mastic around the toilet, which I'm still pestering Kwame about. So, you know, have you guys heard the saying that builders are the worst people for their own homes? They do everybody else's house before they do their own. So I have to pester Kwame about doing these small things all the time. Even the bathtub is still not done after all this time as well. So today especially, I'm going to really hound him about doing this. So once he's done the mastic around the toilets, then I can put the seats on, so that'll be done. And then we need to get someone to do the top part here, which has not been done yet. So this is still pretty much an open space. So those are some of the little things that we still have to do. But I mean, we're managing for now, it's okay. I'm just happy to be in the house, so I'm not going to complain about that too much. But what I'm going to do at the moment, because I'm a sucker for smells, so what I'm going to do is I have this lavender essential oil thing, and I'm hoping, because I was hoping to have cotton wool, but I can't find my cotton wool, so I'm going to use these makeup sponge things, and I'm going to use this, put some fragrance on it, and just leave it in the different bathrooms, just to leave the bathroom with a really nice smell, because I love smells, and I don't like when you enter a bathroom and you could just smell that it's a bathroom. It's horrible. It's just not a nice thing. So when you go into the bathroom, you should always feel welcomed into a bathroom. I think that's really important. So I'm just going to put some of this onto here, and I'm hoping that it will work the same way that it works with cotton. And it will keep the bathroom with a really nice smell. Let's see. It's not even sinking in, so I don't know. It's just sitting on top. Anyway, that's lavender. So I'll just put that in each of the bathrooms and just leave them there. I'm just going to leave that in the bathroom, and hopefully it should help the smell linger a bit more. I did do it the other day because I have this, how do you say it? I want to say it my way, pot puree. It's not a very romantic way to say it, but I have this. And I did put some lavender in here the other day actually, but it didn't really, I didn't really notice the difference in smell. And I put quite a lot because, you know, I don't go easy with these things. I like the smell to actually come out and be radiant. So I did put some of this into here like this, but I don't recall really smelling it when I came in here. So I'll just add a bit more. Can you smell it? Oh, you can. Oh. Is it? It smells like what? No, but I sprayed perfume earlier. This is lavender, look. No, you can't smell it. Yeah, I don't know why. But this is an essential oil, so it should really smell. Anyway, I'll still do it anyway in all the rooms, all the bathrooms. And guys, so that is it. It may not seem like it, but I have been cleaning for the best part of 2 to 2.5 hours this morning. So I've given the kitchen a complete wipe down. I'll probably do it again another day because I didn't get to do everything that I wanted to do. I wanted to actually clean the inside of the cupboards and stuff as well, but I'm really not prepared because to clean the insides, I have to take everything out, and that's going to be another video because I need to actually reorganize the whole of the kitchen units because I've literally just shoved things in cupboards. Whenever I've gone shopping, I've just shoved things in cupboards. I've not thought about where I've put everything, and sometimes I have to go looking through all the cupboard drawers to try and find what I'm looking for because I have no organization in there at all, and obviously I'm not going to leave it like that. So everything in those cupboards needs to be sorted out. But I know once I pull the stuff out, I will be forced to clean it, so I'm not pulling it out yet. So I'll do that another day. So literally I've done the whole kitchen area. I've done 2 of the bathrooms. I'll leave my eldest 2 to do their own bathrooms. And then I had planned on also cleaning the hallway, sweeping and mopping the floor, but I'm wiped out. In fact, the mop bucket is here looking at me from behind the camera. But I'm just going to leave it there because today, as I said, is New Year's Eve and I don't think what I'm doing is appropriate for today, really. So I'm going to try and get some relaxation now because I want to hit 2022 hard and I feel like I need to be well rested before 2022 comes. So guys, this is my last video of this year. I hope you guys, in fact, is it my last video? No, it's not. Yeah, it is. This is my last video of 2022. Yes, it is. In fact, no. In fact, by the time you guys actually see this, it will be 2022, but I shot it in 2021. So there you go. Yes. And so happy new year to all of you guys. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. You've made me feel incredibly special by following my journey and supporting us all the way through all the ups and downs and all the other things that have happened this year. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful new year. Let 2022 be your year. Work hard, get things done. Do that thing that you've always wanted to do. Now's the time to get it done, so do it. And if you haven't already subscribed, and we are now in 2022, I think it's time you hit that subscribe button for me. So hit that subscribe button for me and the notification bell. And don't forget to please like, comment, and share this video. I'd appreciate it very much. Until next time, I'm out. What?